So we start off today's video with this beautiful hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a pixie. Adding in some color. Very nice pixie bob style. Now, to be honest, I wish you would have kept that red color, but I think that the dark hair is beautiful as well. And you can actually still see just a hint of the red. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we move into our next one. It looks like she might be getting a bob haircut. Beautiful. This one does feature some nice face framing bottleneck bangs. That's like the baby sister of the curtain bang trend. And this bob has so much body volume. Beautiful. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone else who came in for a hair makeover. Oh, it looks like she's cutting the hair into a bob. I love how the stylist just takes the hair, just tosses it on the ground like, bye-bye. So the stylist trims up the hair. Wow, that stylist is really good at doing like blowouts. This is amazing. So chic, fresh, and polished. Absolutely gorgeous. Very nicely done. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. This is going to feature someone going from blonde to brown. Now typically you do see the reverse. People go from brown to blonde. I think it's nice to see a switch up between the two. There is the inspiration. She kind of wants like a chestnut brown. Oh, so there is the finished result. Gorgeous. I really like the aesthetic of this salon too. Look at the ceiling. Amazing. And she looks beautiful as a brunette. She looked beautiful as a blonde, but she looks even more beautiful as a brunette. So here we have someone else at the salon getting their hair colored. Oh, looks like she's getting her hair cut as well. Going with a bob. Wow. Oh, her hair looks amazing. Beautiful. And then we have another gorgeous bob featuring some bottleneck bangs. Very nice. Classic and simple. Beautiful. So here we have someone getting some color. Very nice. Look how shiny her hair is. That sheen is just gorgeous. Beautiful dimensional blonde makeover. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.